Hi, welcome to our IDQ Pro tutorial series. My name is Helena, and today I'll be talking about how to use annotations in IDQ Pro. To start, you'll want to open a file. Then you'll navigate to Edit and select Annotation. You'll be given two options, to add a text box or to add an arrow. These options have preset feature designs and are different from the general use annotations that are available on the annotation bar located here. So to demonstrate, if you want to add just a text arrow, this will come up. The orange is the preset option here. So if you wanted to label the cover, for example, you can do that. And you'll click on the arrow to move it, and you can also extend it out. If you did want to make the font bigger, you would double click on the font, and click OK. If you wanted to just add a text box, you'll just delete whatever's written there and then write what you would like in the text box. You can adjust the size and the location. The annotation toolbar located here is a little bit different. You can click on the arrow and adjust the size right away. You can adjust the color of the arrow. If you wanted just a box for whatever reason, say you wanted to emphasize the coin, you can adjust the box there. And then again, you can adjust the color there. It's important to note that when you are in annotation mode, you are also in edit plot mode. Edit plot mode means that you have control to arrange IDQ Pro however is most convenient for you. For example, you can actually move around the image display panel. You can change the size of it. If you click on the spatial crop, interaction crop, you could make it go away if that's what you were looking for. No other options, like the reset button, for example, will not actually reset your data. It's just if you wanted to move it somewhere else. To get back to a functioning IDQ Pro software, you can go to Edit and go to Edit Plot, and that will deactivate the Edit Plot mode. Or you can go to this icon here, the Edit Plot icon, and you can see that there's kind of a gray haze around it. That means that it's activated, and you'll click it again to deactivate it. So now if you click the reset button, you can see all of the histograms went to the single channel. But it's important to note that your annotations will remain in the same places. They will not be reset. So if you did want to delete them, you could go back into edit plot mode. You could click on it, and then you'll press the delete or the delete button on Windows or the delete button on Mac, and you'll press that, and it will delete the annotation you've created. For more information on how to use this tool, you can go to idcubes.com/documentation.